Hey guys, it's Snow Tech, and today we're going to be reviewing the AirPods that everyone wanted but Apple never gave us, the Blackpods. Start off with this case. It's not an exact replica of the AirPods case. Looks like they tried to do their own little version. Cubby comes out of the bottom. Alright, let's get to opening it. Alright, right out of the gate we got the AirPods packaged up. Alright, set these aside for a second. Got this little foam pad, and then we got this. I assume this is the charging cord. If I can open it. Alright, yep. Uses lightning. It's always good to see. Decently long. And then got a little manual. We won't be needing this, so toss that aside. And the last thing in the box. Looks like a little warning pass thing. I don't know. Can't really read it. Alright. Alright, let's get to the AirPods. Alright, so these are the Blackpods. Looks like they got a little button on the outside of the case. Got two of them. They use magnetic charging. Let's actually bring out my AirPods to compare here. These are the same ones. There we go. Looks like they use the same kind of wireless charging on the bottom of the AirPods. They look pretty similar actually. Alright, there we go. So here are the Blackpods. They got the little wireless charging thing symbol on the outside. I'm not sure if these are actually wireless charging or not. I guess we're gonna have to test that. Alright. Let's get to the next portion of the video. This little wireless charging mat right here. It's a triple wireless charger. It's the only one I got, but it should do the job. Let's plug in these AirPods, see if the wireless charging works. Alright, as you can see, that light did turn on. It turns back off. They do look like they're charging. You can see the light right there. Alright, so they do have wireless charging. Alright, so I got my mini iPad right here to help us connect these. See if they show up. There you go, they did show up. Let's get them to do it again real quick. So there you have it, they do show up just like normal AirPods do. Sorry, I've been fiddling with this on the side. Shows both of them. They do work. Alright, so those are your all new Blackpods. They look like they work about as good as the actual thing. They are only $60 instead of the $150 that you are usually charging to buy AirPods. And they are matte black, the kind of AirPods that we've all been asking Apple for years, and they just haven't given us any yet. Hopefully one day in the future, but for today this is a perfectly good substitute. I do have a link in the description if you want to go buy these. It's knockpods.com, I believe. And yeah, shout out to Knockbox for sending me these. If you guys want to see a full comparison between these Knockpods and the actual AirPods, I will do a whole video on that in the future, so make sure you subscribe and check that out. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.